Hi, this is Julie with Bird Be Gone, and I am proud to welcome you to our last 2-Minute Tuesday episode of 2017. It has been a great year for the Bird Be Gone family, and together we have covered quite the variety of bird-controlled topics with our 2-Minute Tuesdays. As a thank you to all of you who work with us here at Bird Be Gone, we have put together a blooper reel from all of our previous 2-Minute Tuesdays, and it's pretty hilarious, so we hope you enjoy.
Hello and welcome to another week. Whether it's nesting or perching on a ledge. So it is. No, I'm just making up as I go along.
It is important that you and your crew are safe from exposure to the blah 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 blah. Okay.
When was the last time each person operated the blah blah blah?
At some point during your blah, blah, blah.
Be sure to check local and state regulations on where and how to dispose of bird droppings. In some Be sure to check local and state regulations on where and how to dispose of bird droppings. In some jurisdictions... I can't say that word. I was gonna go with the different. No, I wanted to do something different.
Say hi.
Okay, no, okay, yeah.
Or if you need more... Blah, blah, blah. Okay, right?
Each main control our black no-knot netting as well as our bat netting. That would. Additionally, how we conduct. Hi there, I'm Julie. I can't even say my name.
Yeah, boots and cats and boots and cats.
Is it Jeff you're waiting for? On occasion, Penrith's...
The hair's
Am I right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you look yeah.
All
right. Hi, this is Julie, and today Scott and I are going to briefly discuss how to estimate bird net hardware.
Okay, sorry.
Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other anchor-type videos in this series.